How to fix Instagram voice message not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to fix Instagram voice message not working, firstly launch the settings application. Here, scroll down and tap on Instagram. Make sure the toggle button for microphone along with all the other toggle buttons are toggled on. Now go back and offload the Instagram application. To offload in settings itself, tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find the Instagram option there and tap on that. You will see the offload app option. Go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Reinstalling the app will make sure that an updated version is installed, which will further fix bugs in the app. Lastly, open App Store and search for Instagram. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.